Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike is an impressive blend of power, portability, and functionality, making it an excellent choice for both commuters and recreational riders. With its robust 1000W motor, the bike can reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour, which is quite exhilarating and makes navigating through urban environments a breeze. The acceleration is smooth, and the bike feels responsive, giving the rider a sense of control even at higher speeds. One of the standout features is the 48V 20AH removable battery. This battery not only supports the bike's powerful motor but also boasts an impressive range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and usage. For those who are hesitant about running out of power during a long journey, the removable design is a game changer. You can easily take the battery indoors to charge, ensuring you never have to worry about finding an outlet while on the go. The folding design is another significant advantage of this electric bike. It can be easily folded and stored in tight spaces, making it ideal for apartment dwellers or those who need to transport it in a car. The construction is robust yet lightweight, providing durability without sacrificing portability. Comfort is prioritized with the bike's adjustable seat and handlebars, allowing riders of various heights to find their ideal riding position. The bike also features front and rear disc brakes, which deliver reliable stopping power, enhancing safety during rides. A few minor drawbacks include the absence of built-in lights and a limited selection of color options. However, these issues can be easily remedied with aftermarket accessories. Overall, the 1000W folding electric bike stands out for its performance, range, and convenience, making it a superb investment for anyone looking to elevate their cycling experience. Whether commuting, running errands, or leisurely rides, this electric bike excels in providing efficiency and enjoyment.